everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Welcome. Thank you for tuning in. This time this is going to be a hair video. The last hair video that I did is when I, braided my hair back. So I took it down. Y'all, I still got to dye my hair around the edges. So excuse that. So I kept my hair braided until now. And you guys, this is how much shedding I've gotten from my hair. I would love to know how to stop the shedding. So after this video, I may do a tea rinse with ginger. So stay tuned for that video after I wash my hair and everything. So I just don't like the shedding. I mean, I can understand if I had a little shedding, but this is how much I've gotten. Okay. So is it normal? I guess somehow our hair has to shed. I'm not sure, but not that much. So you guys, I am going to wash my hair with this Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair shampoo. Deeply cleans hair and scalp, allowing hair to grow, while the unique sulfate-free formula helps reduce breakage. Made with pure shea butter and formulated without harsh ingredients, and which I do have. Okay, the Cantu conditioner. It is sulfate-free hydrating cream conditioner. Unique sulfate-free formula moisturizes dry, brittle hair and helps protect against split ends. Made with pure shea butter, Cantu restores your real, authentic beauty. Embrace your curly, coily, or wavy hair with Cantu. Alright, same thing, styling tips for best results used in conjunction with Cantu sulfate-free cleansing cream shampoo. Alright, so you guys, I'm just going to wash my hair in this shampoo with this shampoo and conditioner, okay? Let me get started. First, I'm going to go and wet my hair, so stay tuned. Okay, everybody, I am through washing and conditioning my hair. I just got through oiling my scalp with the Do Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. It is really soft. Yes, yes. So I want this in my edges, you know, to grow out. It is thin around the edges. And I thank you guys for telling me about the peppermint oil and castor oil. So I have been putting that on there. Let me see. Do I have it? I have it in my bedroom. I forgot to bring it in here. But yes, I do have that. But when I get ready to twist my hair, which is going to be on the next video, stay tuned for that. I will bring out the oil, the castor oil and the peppermint oil. So I will bring that out. I don't see it here. I must have left it in my bedroom. So you guys, this is my clean hair. And it feels good and it smells good. The Cantu shampoo and conditioner, it smells really good. And I also gotten the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, Define and Shine Custard. Okay. This is what I have. And I also have the Shea Butter Edge Stay Gel. It is perfect for sleek, smooth style and ponytails. Okay, and I will use these two later when I get ready to, you know, style my hair, whenever I'm ready to wear it back out again. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys so much for, you know, tuning in. And please, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos that I, you know, upload. So please go ahead and comment, share this video, thumbs up, and come back on the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.